कहना चाहूँगी कि रेयर हेरिटेज इज़ जेन्युइनली अ वेरी रेयर स्टोर, क्योंकि उनका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है बहुत ही यूनिक है. इट्स अ वन शॉप स्टॉप फॉर वेडिंग्स. Beautiful jewelry, lovely clothes, Trousseau shopping. You can just come here and actually come and buy everything that you need. और मेरे जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत earrings हैं, I hope I will be gifted them. I think they're really stunning, and I love very Indian looking jewelry. और इस store में बहुत ही अलग अलग tradition के jewelry है. Whether it's very there's temple jewelry, there are other traditional Indian jewelry. So which woman doesn't like jewelry? So I think it's a great place to come and shop your heart out. Well, I definitely say जो jewelry मुझे मेरी मम्मी से मिला है, जो इतने साल पुराना है उनके शादी के टाइम से. So I think when I got gifted that, I think those are rare gems. And like I said, which woman doesn't like jewelry?
Firstly, I would want to say that I'm extremely fortunate and I'm very proud to be associated with this brand, that they have signed me on as their brand ambassador. Rare Heritage is I think it's the most grand bridal trousseau brand that you can get in our country, and when I heard about this brand, I was quite excited because under one roof you get everything from your bridal jewelry to your outfits, from your mehendi to your engagement to the final wedding function, and of course the beautiful and also the bridal trunks, and I don't want to miss out on that because I was quite fond of the bridal trunks in such a way that I've done one shot even inside the trunk. I sat inside the trunk and we did a shot. It was quite beautiful. And I would like to mention that Rare Heritage has won the Best Bridal Jewelry Award of the Year, and I have actually shot for many, kind of couple of jewelry brands before, but this actually till now is my favorite. And what's the quality about their outfit is that they have that real zari work in silver and gold. And it's real silver and gold work that you see on their dupattas, on their outfit, that makes it really regal and royal and from the ancient time. So I think all brides should just come here. It's that one-stop destination for them if you're getting wedded. And when I get married, Manushi, your brand will be like... So I think I don't have to go anywhere, but just bring her up and say I want to wear Rare Heritage. Everything from Rare Heritage.